Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with the series called Word of the Day, and today is day 35 of the series. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So since today is day 35, you can find the previous videos in a playlist that has been created for you. This series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary, and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Today's word is altruistic. The meaning of the word altruistic is showing a disinterested and selfless concern for the well being of others. So, I repeat, the meaning is showing a disinterested and selfless concern for the well being of others. Now, we look at a sentence in order to understand this word altruistic better. So, the sentence that is given to us says, I doubt whether her motives for donating the money are altruistic. She is probably looking for publicity. So, altruistic here is being used as an adjective, right? Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word altruistic. The synonyms can be selfless, generous, or benevolent. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be egocentric and selfish. Now guys, we'll use the language Hindi in order to understand this word altruistic better. So जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड altruistic को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was, I doubt whether her motives for donating the money are altruistic. She is probably looking for publicity. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है कि मुझे संदेह है कि क्या पैसे देने का उसका कारण या उद्देश्य परोपकारी था. वह शायद प्रचार की तलाश में है. सो यहाँ पर altruistic का मतलब है परोपकारी. So guys, we have used both the languages, English as well as Hindi, in order to understand this word altruistic better. I hope you liked the video. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.